Welcome to Machine Fix. Today we are going to see how to properly dress in a workshop. So the first thing you want to make sure is that nothing can get entangled in one of the machines so that you are not dragged into the machine, because that's how basically accidents will happen. If we start from the top, you don't want to have any long hair coming in front of you. And that includes also ponytails. So you want to do a bun in the back. You also don't want to have any long jewelry hanging from your ears that can get stuck into the machine, any scarf, any hoodie strings, or any hood from the hoodie itself. So I would say the best is actually don't use hoodies. Just come with a t-shirt, or if you are cold and you need to wear a sweater, wear a normal sweater and roll the sleeves up. The reason I say roll the sleeves up is because if you just pull it up, it can with time come down. And don't just roll it up to there, but roll it all the way up so that your full arm is uncovered. You also don't want to have any rings or any watch or anything that can drag you into the machine. As we said, jewelry shouldn't be there, and that this will basically dangle into the machine, so you want to remove it. And if you remove your hoodie, just make sure that there is no loose clothes either. So for example here, this t-shirt would have to be tucked in properly. Then you want to have long pants so that there is no spark, not metal sharp, nothing that will jump to your legs and make you scared or make you react in a way that you don't want to. And last but not least, please don't wear open shoes. Wear closed shoes, no flip-flops, not sandals, nothing that will have a space too sharp to go in.
When working in a workshop, you should definitely not run. If you get injured, just calmly proceed to the first aid kit. You shouldn't wear headphones either. Only recommended hearing protection. No food or drinks are allowed in a workshop, as they might get contaminated with metal sharp or oil coming out of the machine.
When working on a machine, never work alone. Use the buddy system to ensure that there will be somebody there to assist you in case of an accident. Also, know where the emergency button of your machine is. When approaching somebody working on a machine, don't try to call their attention by touching them. Just position yourself in an area that will not surprise them, and then wait until they finish their job and acknowledge your presence there.
If a spill occurs, stop immediately whatever you are doing and make sure that you clean it up. If it's not completely dry, use other methods to clean it. Once done, make sure that the floor is not slippery anymore. If it's still slippery, clean again. In any good workshop, there should be an extinguisher, an emergency phone, and a first aid kit. Normally they are located next to the door and they have signs on top of them, but just make sure where they are. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share it with anybody that can stay safe thanks to it.